All right, can everyone just look at the board? Even if you got this, I'd like you to have a think about how I'm going to solve it. All right, can everyone just look at the board for a second, please? I won't take too much of your time. So for this question, I have no idea how much I start with, right? My principal is unknown, so I'm going to call it X. But what do I have to do with this? How much money do I want to end up with? I want to end up with 3X, right? That's my final goal is to treble or triple my money. So how much more money do I need to get from X to 3X?
You need another two.
I need another 2X, right? So I understand what you're saying about multiplication, but we're adding money to our thing, right? So I need to add another 2X. So doesn't that mean my interest should be 2X? Right? I want to get 2 more X so I can have 3X in total. Because remember our formula, whoops, hang on a second. Our formula PRT only tells us how much interest we're earning. It doesn't tell us how much we end up with. So I need to get 2X. So that means using this formula, I want 2X to be my interest. X is my principal. My rate we said is 6%. I'm going to write that as a decimal. And I don't know my time. Actually, why don't we just write T for the sake of simplicity? So for time. Now, I can rearrange this to get T by itself, because look what happens. If I bring across X as a division, because all of this is multiplying, I can bring this across and then these cancel out. So then 2 is 0.06T. Then how do I get T by itself? Divide. So that means T is 33 1/3. And remember, this is in years. Do we get what I'm doing? So all I'm doing is using my PRT formula, but my principal is unknown and my interest is unknown, but they're related. So I can use the same letter and then I'm just having to solve for T. This is a really tricky question. So well done if you did it, but you need to learn to do these without trial and error. You need to use algebra.